Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Boston whaler dealer here. Today we're going to take a look at the beautiful 2019 38 Outrage Trade. This used to be our Fishteam boat, so it's decked out with crazy electronics package, all the right equipment, Seakeeper, custom sea deck flooring. It's got the 400R Verados on it, so she runs amazing. Nice aft facing lounger here. Electric shade that comes out of the top. There's cameras everywhere. It's got FLIR night vision. Check out this custom helm. 24-inch Raymarine GPS, multiple smaller 9-inch GPSs. It is a bow thruster boat, not a joystick boat. Absolutely gorgeous. Upholstery is all in beautiful condition. Take a little walk around. Approximately 450 hours at the time of listing, and we've always taken care of it, and it's always had the best of service. Lots of new vinyl on the boat. Electric table here. You can see the FLIR camera. It's got Doppler radar. Obviously premium sound system with speakers everywhere and subwoofers. Refrigerator in the cockpit. Again, it has a Seakeeper, which is very rare for 19 on the 38. Gorgeous cabin. Nice vessel sink here, rod holders, extra VHF radios in the cabin. Super clean boat. Stand-up vacuum flush toilet with shower. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is a 2019 Boston Whaler 38 Outrage. This is a trade-in. We own it. That is your dive door ladder there. Diesel generator also. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.